This little path right here looks promising, but I don't know where the it'll go. Oh shit, maybe not. I just suck all the way in. Oh my god. Okay, back the up. Oh shit. Okay, well, now I'm. Oh shit. Oh my god, I got one foot out. Oh my god, my other boot is all the way in. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. I just got eaten by the mud. Kind of intense. Okay. I'm just gonna go back the way I freaking came. That sounds pretty good to me right now. Okay. Alright, not that way. At least not right now.